Hello and good day. And so this is my review on this Comfy air fryer oven. So the reason I wanted this was because I wanted an air fryer oven to make steaks with, but also some other foods as well. So with this in particular, it can do steak. For example, it can do pizza. It's able to do a lot of different types of ingredients such as nuggets, fries, French toast, a lot of assorted vegetables and such. So with this, you basically have like a different suggested modes here. Okay, pizza, sear crisp, toast, air fry, bagel, air roast, rapid bake, dehydrate. You can set the time, you can set the darkness, the power button, you can see the light, the function, and of course the start to pause. As far as like the functionality goes, this is how you actually adjust the timer in session. You simply just push to start or pause. So with the inside of the oven, you can see that's what it looks like, and it comes with an assortment of different trays. So here we have like a air fryer tray. Here we have like a baking sheet, you see like that. Makes it very easy to kind of basically air fry a multitude of different or a variety of different foods or such. So as far as the space goes, it is a decent size. Okay, I wouldn't say it's actually the smallest, but overall I've had another one of these for about over a year now, and so this is the second one that I'm giving as a gift. But overall, very, very pleased with it.